Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix your Face ID not working for Apple Store, for the App Store. And there are maybe 3 ways how you can fix this. If the first will not work, try the second one and so on. So first of all, we need to check if the Face ID is turned on for Apple Store. So you're going to go to Settings. Then you're gonna go scroll down and see Face ID and passcode. You're gonna click on that. You will enter your passcode. And after that, as you can see, your Apple iTunes and App Store is turned on for Face ID. So it should work. You can turn it off and turn it on. Basically, if it is turned on, then we need to move on to the second solution, which is to log out of your Apple ID. To do this, you're gonna go to Settings again and scroll up until you see your profile. After that, you're gonna click on your profile right here. And when you are on this page, you're just gonna scroll down until you see Sign Out button right here. And you need to write down your password to turn off the Apple ID and to sign out of it. So just write down the password. Now, after you before you sign out, the Apple will ask you if you want to keep a copy of your data on this phone. So this data will be removed from iPhone, data removed from this iPhone will still be available in iCloud. All items will be removed from your wallet and so on. So you basically want to keep a copy, maybe of every single one of those. And you're just gonna click Sign Out. So after you have signed out, just basically sign in again with your Apple ID. And also before signing into the Apple ID, I suggest you to turn off your phone and turn it back on. Basically, so when you will restart your phone, you sign into your Apple ID and the problem with Face ID on the App Store not working should be fixed. And if this will not help you, but of course it should, because this helped a lot of people to fix this problem. So the last solution would be to remove your Face ID and add it again. So you're just gonna go and remove the Face ID on your Face ID and passcode. And basically, here it is, Reset Face ID. You can just click on that. You can also, yes, it's Reset Face ID. Or when you will, basically, when you will delete that, you will see a Set Up Face ID button. But I see it only with Face ID with a mask. So just let you know that. And yeah, guys, if all of these three problems actually should fix your Face ID not working on the App Store. So let me know in the comments down below. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.